Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use your PS4 VR headset on a PC so you can play Steam VR games without needing to buy a separate expensive headset. While the psvr was designed for PlayStation 4, you can use third-party software like ivry or trinus psvr to act as a bridge between your headset and your Windows computer. To get started, you should download and install the ivry driver for SteamVR, which you can find directly on the Steam store. Once the software is installed, you should need to connect your PSVR processing unit to your PC using a high-quality HDMI cable and a USB 3.0 port. You should plug the HDMI cable into your computer's graphic card and connect the USB cable to a blue USB port on your PC for the best performance. After the cables are secure, you should plug your headset into the front of the processing unit just like you do on the console and then turn on the headset using the inline power button. Windows will recognize the headset as a second monitor, and you may need to go into your display settings to ensure it is set to extend these displays with resolution of 1920 by 1080. Once the hardware is connected, you can launch the ivry software, which will automatically configure your headset to work with steamvr. It is important to place your headset on a flat, stable surface during the initial calibration to ensure that the tracking sensors are correctly aligned. While these setups works great for seated games with gamepad or keyboard, you should keep in mind that positional tracking for your head and move controllers requires an additional hardware like PlayStation camera and a special adapter.